The best properties are like secret recipes, rarely shared and never sold. Welcome to the channel. This is where I review, critique luxury properties. I tell you 3 things I like about it, 3 things I don't like about it. And in today's episode, we're gonna review a beauty. 11782 Southampton Court, Los Angeles, California, 90077, 8-bedroom, 12-bath, 13,377 square foot, listed for $17,250,000, and it sits on just over 27,000 square foot of land. Now, before I tell you 3 things I like about this property, just remember, the content of this video is purely my personal opinion. It's for entertainment and educational purposes. If you have specific questions about this property, feel free to reach out to the listing agent right above here. Okay, let's get down to it. Number 3, gated community. With the crime going up through the 𝐂𝐸 right now in Los Angeles, any gated community is a blessing, and we're gonna give that number 3. Number 2 is architectural style and layout. You got the wow factor as soon as you walk in. You have a frontage, a motor court. You have a huge backyard. The scale is there. The layout is there. It's a great house. It's very well proportioned in many aspects of it, and I love that about it. Now, the number 1 thing that I absolutely love about this property is the combination of land and view, and the fact that it's not dated like all the other houses in this community that we're going to talk about later. Okay, 3 things I don't like about this property.
Marvin, before we do that, we got to check what ZipSmart has to say about this property.
I'm sorry you asked that, Harry, because according to ZipSmart.ai, there are 125% more new listing this month than last month.
Wow.
This is really dangerous, guys. This is not supposed to what happen in fall. That means there are more houses coming on the market. Inventory is piling up. If you want to know the AI forecast for your zip code, sign up for ZipSmart.ai. Link is right below. Okay, 3 things I don't like about this property. Number 3 is the fact that this property sold not too long ago for $14 million, and that was when the rates were less than 2.5 of what they are right now. And that's just not a good sign, because I can tell you from experience, most really good homes don't switch hands. Now, I'm not saying this is it could be a very good reason for it to sell, and you should ask that from the listing agent if you're serious about this property. But I'm saying this so you remember it when you're looking at properties for yourself, because good properties, I'm telling you, they don't change hands. The sellers keep them as long as they can, and 2 years of a property of this caliber is just very soon. Okay, the second thing I don't like about this property is that it's straight on east facing. I mean, you're gonna get that sun coming in, waking your ass up, and you're gonna be very happy about it. You're gonna be a morning person, but at nighttime, evening time, when you come back from work, the house is just gonna look a little bit darker in the main living areas where you're gonna be hanging out a lot. Now, the number 1 thing I don't like about this property is the gated community it's in. Again, this is a personal opinion. I rate this gated property as a C because its proximity to 405, it's way too close, and the fact that this valley has caught on fire multiple times, and then the houses in this gated community are just mostly dated. This is perhaps one of the best houses in there that I've seen in a very, very long time, and I'm very excited for it. It looks absolutely beautiful. Now, if you want pricing suggestions from me, you can reach out to me directly. Here is my information. I would love to be a resource to you. And remember, if you like this video, you might like this video or this video. And if you want a 3rd-person opinion on pricing and when you should buy or sell a property, visit ZipSmart.ai. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.